initiative forward of protecting women's hearts, and I feel very happy to leverage my name to something like that. Somebody who has always believed that fitness is very important and has always given fitness more importance and health more importance than looking good. It was shocking to know with the survey and the study done by Saffola Life that 2 out of 4 women suffer with and vulnerable to heart diseases, and it's a direct correlation with how you maintain yourself. You have to have a high metabolism. You have to walk. That's the least you can do. To all those women out there, more than looking good, I think you should give importance to heart health. And I'm here to take that pledge today with Saffola Life, my husband and me. I'm very happy that Raj is here to support women's heart health. And he really has always been the wind beneath my wings. And I have always believed that health is wealth. And if ever there's an opportunity where I can play a catalyst in telling people the same and making a difference to their lives, I would most happily do so. And I'm really happy that today Saffola Life has taken this initiative, and it's a great endeavor to protect women's hearts. And, we women have very big hearts. We're so busy in our lives looking after our families, our children, our husbands' problems, that we forget about our own weight. And see, you can't change the husband, but you can change your health. So the least you can do for yourself is, include a cardiovascular activity. And 30 minutes of walking will really sort your life. And if you can do it with your husband, and actually, all you husbands out there, you all are in this marriage for love. I know love doesn't stay permanently. You all are never always in love, but you all love the person. So to continue that and to have a healthy marriage or healthy wife, it's very important for both of you all to take the initiative. I'm not undermining the husband's health here. So there are a lot of men also who take their health for granted. So I think both of you all should take that initiative with each other and look after each other's health and take that 30 minutes walk, in a day. And if not possible, every day, do it 4 times a week. Definitely do it on weekends. And you'll see the change it brings about in your marriage, in your communication, and in your health.
That's fantastic. Absolutely. We all totally agree to that. And Raj, I would like to ask you, how do you protect Shilpa's heart?
That's a good one. 6 billion.
Wow.
Protect her heart, okay?
Come ahead.
Jacob, could you just tell us something about Walk Together of the Heart? What is this initiative and how are you associated with it?
Well, today is World Heart Day, as you're aware, and there couldn't have been a better day to choose this wonderful endeavor done by Saffola Life. And it's to protect our heart initiative. And my husband very kindly has agreed to come and protect my heart and, has lent his support to this great cause. And I feel really happy to play a catalyst in women's lives, kind of bringing focus to health more than beauty. Because I think most women want to lose weight to look good. I think it's important to let them know that 2 out of 4 women suffer with cardiac diseases, and it's only because of the weight gain. And you know these diet fads that they do, where they lose lots of weight with the wrong kind of foods, is one of the worst things to do to your body. So do it the right way. Start off with 30-minute walks, and that's what we've come here to pledge together as a couple. And I want that to continue, not just as a trend but as a rule. It should become a lifestyle modification plan for most couples. If we can actually take out 30 minutes in the day, it also denotes a healthier marriage.
As it's like a protect her heart, why it should not be our heart? As you're talking about,
Yes.
even the men that
The
have
stats
Yes,
are 2 out of 4, no?
of course. No,
The 2
but
out of 4
like,
stats.
like the statistics show, and Sephora Life has done this whole survey and study where they've found out that 2 out of 4 women suffer with cardiovascular diseases. Hence, it's Protect Her Heart initiative.
And Shilpa, adding to it, Indian moms keep their families and their kids first. So,
Yes.
कितना ignore करती है Indian women?
आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा इग्नोर करती है, स्पेशली इंडियन वुमेन. हम लोगों की लाइफ होती नहीं है. हमारी लाइफ हमारे फैमिली के अराउंड ही सर्कल होता है, और अच्छी बात है वो. आई थिंक हम लोगों को इस तरीके से कंडीशन किया जाता है बचपन से ही कि हम लोगों को अपनी फैमिली का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, उनके लिए ही सोचना चाहिए, तो हम अपने लिए नहीं सोचते. एक तरह से देखा जाए तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अपने आप को इग्नोर करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. So you have to give yourself a bit of importance, your health a lot of importance. If you are not healthy, then how will your family be happy? तो अगर आप फैमिली को ओवरऑल हेल्थी देखना चाहते हैं, अपने आप को हेल्थी देखना चाहते हैं, you have to inculcate the right habits. And 30 minutes of walking is the best habit to inculcate.
राज, जैसे आप पर जिम्मेदारी दी गई है एक्चुअली प्रोटेक्ट हर हार्ट.
Absolutely.
Definitely you will lend your support to a particular candidate.
जी.
Besides just like how do you protect her family? Maybe all the
I think the initiative is fantastic. See, लोग अक्सर बोलते हैं टाइम नहीं है, बिजी हूँ, काम से आया हूँ, थक गया हूँ. But that's the man's side of the thing. The ladies at home, looking after your child, working, doing her own thing. तो अगर आप 30 मिनट नहीं निकाल सकते उनके लिए, तो ना तो वो शादी लास्ट होने वाली है, ना उनका दिल. So I think it's important to take that 30-minute pledge of Protect Her Heart. And I think what Sephora Life has done is fantastic. So the cause was good, and that's why both of us are a part of it.
You took the initiative शिल्पा के लिए.
हाँ जी.
So any message to the husbands out there कि आप भी अपनी wife के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं?
I've said it to everyone. I've said, boss, there should be no male ego in this country. आदमी हमेशा हम देखते हैं आगे चलता है और औरत पीछे. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए भैया, साथ साथ चलो. जी.
Oh my God!
सिर्फ 7 जन मुझे लग रहा है 7 जन कम है.
Oh.
Shilpa, you are one of the fittest person in Bollywood.
I agree.
So besides eating habits, oh, that's it.
I don't think so. I have a long way to go.
So besides like your eating habits, what are the other regimes you follow? And I think yoga also. Like, are you planning to come up with some kind of recipe also?
I see today is not the platform. I think it would be very unfair to be talking about what I am doing. You will get to know of those things. Yes, I agree that I'm very synonymous with health. I try to make myself of some use. हमने बहुत नाम कमाया है लोगों की वजह से. अगर कहीं ना कहीं मैं एक कैटलिस्ट प्ले कर सकती हूँ उनके हेल्थ के लिए, उनके हेल्थ के बेटरमेंट के लिए, I feel more than happy to leverage my name. That's the reason I'm here to support the whole Sephora Life pledge, and I think it's a wonderful initiative. And yes, I think ये जो misconception है कि अगर आप ज़्यादा वर्कआउट करो और कुछ भी खाओ आप हेल्दी रहोगे. इट्स एक्चुअली 70-30. तो आप 30% अगर वर्कआउट करेंगे और 70% अगर अपना डाइट का ध्यान रखेंगे, योर लाइफ विल बी सॉर्टेड. सो 30 मिनट्स ऑफ वॉकिंग, दैट्स व्हाई वी सजेस्ट 30 मिनट्स ऑफ वॉकिंग. और अपने खाने का ध्यान भी रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप डाइट करो. ईट राइट, ईट हेल्दी. और ये जो डाइट फैड्स है मैं उसके बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट हूँ. आई थिंक एक अपने हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल के लिए एक डाइट को बरकरार रखना, एक हेल्दी ईटिंग पैटर्न को बरकरार रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो एनीबडी हु सेज oh you can eat whatever you want and you just go to the gym and work out and you stay healthy, I'm totally against that, and that's not the right way to be healthy.
We're missing you on the screen. We're missing you on the screen. क्या कहना चाहोगी कि what are
मैं रोज किसी ना किसी वजह से स्क्रीन पे आ ही जाती हूँ, छोटे स्क्रीन पे सही. I've actually अभी तक मैं सोच भी नहीं रही थी. अब वियान 3.5 years का हो रहा है तो ही इज स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम एट स्कूल. तो अब मैंने स्क्रिप्टें पढ़नी शुरू की है और 2-3 जो मैंने पढ़ी थी इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. सो आई एम रियली, इट रियली हैज़ टू बी अ रिविटिंग फिल्म फॉर मी टू डू. कुछ ऐसा जो मैंने पहले किया नहीं हो. तो और मैं कोई कमबैक वमबैक नहीं करने वाली जैसे लोग कहते हैं. आई जस्ट वांट टू डू समथिंग दैट वुड इंटरेस्ट मी एज एन एक्टर. अरे अभी तक स्क्रिप्ट नहीं आई तो मैं कैसे
Thank you.